Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Sembly Pro login issues, Workspace sync errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Sembly Pro, don't worry. Let's walk through the steps to resolve these Workspace sync errors. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Weak or intermittent connections can cause login problems. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This helps remove any stored data that may interfere with the login process. Now, try logging in again. If the issue persists, check if your Sembly Pro application is up to date. An outdated version may lead to functionality problems. Visit the official Sembly website to download the latest version if necessary. If you're using a VPN, consider disabling it temporarily. Some VPN configurations can block service access. Next, check for any firewall or antivirus settings that might be restricting Sembly Pro. You may need to adjust these settings to allow the application to connect. Now, let's verify your login credentials. Ensure you're entering the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. After resetting your password, attempt to log in again. If you still encounter issues, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes, specific browser settings can cause conflicts. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, ensure you complete that process correctly. Incorrectly entering your authentication code can prevent access. If you've tried all these steps and still face problems, reach out to Sembly Pro support. They can offer specific guidance tailored to your situation. Provide them with detailed information about the errors you're encountering. This will help them assist you more effectively. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to resolve your login issues with Sembly Pro. Good luck, and get ready to get back to work seamlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.